Welcome back to Titan Academy. In this video, we will cover styling a file uploader. We'll discuss what is a file uploader, the default variant drop zone, the input variant, and the button variant. The file upload gives users the ability to upload files such as photos, PDFs, or other documents. It belongs to the input fields group, though it does not look like a standard input by default. What's most important to know about styling the upload file input is that it has three variants, which means that it has three different looks altogether. Since variant is a property that appears only in the project style panel, we will start there. Once in the project style panel, you will need to choose the file upload element from the dropdown. Let's look at the default variant. In the root, you will see that this default is called drop zone. You will be able to change the icon's position, and you will be able to set a specific width and height if you want. Label refers to the choose files text. You will be able to change its style with the font category, move it with margin, and show it on one line by making the width bigger. Input refers to the box or container of this element. You can change its fill color and the border style. When the user attaches files, they can be viewed in a list, allowing the user to remove or preview items. The Files menu, File item, Delete icon, and View icon properties will enable you to set the style of the list. Now let's look at the next variant, Input. This will make the upload element look like a simple text box. That is why you will now be able to choose a text field variant, such as standard, filled, outlined, etc., like you do for other regular inputs. You will be able to choose a primary color, which will affect the border, and set a size. Notice that you can also set the styles for the attach icon, and also the styles of items in the Files menu, which can open if a user clicks on the input after uploading files. Let's preview that and have a look. I'll upload some files. Here's the menu and the icons. The last variant for this element is the button variant, because it looks like a button. You can make it look like a button with fill, border, and states of default, hover, and clicked. For example, I've set a different hover fill color and a clicked fill color. Default, hover, clicked. Default, hover, clicked. And that is how it's done.